Hey guys, this is Janice Giesinger, the Internet Marketing Nomad. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new email with Gmail when you already have a Gmail email account. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe down below, click the notification bell so you can get more videos as I upload them, and hit the like button if this video has helped you out. So without further ado, let's get started on this. So in this video, like I said, I'm going to show you how to make a new Gmail email when you already have a Gmail email account. So I have my Gmail open here. I have a lot of Gmail email, a lot of Gmail email accounts, and in this particular one, you can see my cursor here. I'm up in the right-hand corner, and it says here Google account. It's got my name and my email address here. There's a few reasons why you might want a few different emails. And in this particular case, I want to show one of my students how to create a new email to promote a product that we are promoting. And in order to set up his landing page and have all of his people go to a different email account without having an autoresponder, I thought it would be important for him to have a separate email from the email that he gets all of his regular correspondence through. So this is for you, Duncan, and for everybody else who just doesn't know how to set up a separate email account from the one you already have. Okay, so here I am in my gjan62 email account, and you will see up here in the right-hand corner. And as of today, this is what Gmail looks like, and it has looked like this for quite a long time. So right here where the little J is, click on that. Not this one up here. This is for your Google Chrome account. Not this one, but this one down here within your email, your Gmail. And here it has my name and my Gmail showing. And in this button, I can click my Google, manage my Google account, but that's not where we're going. We're going right down here. You can see here, I have another email here, but go below that to where it says add another account and click on that. Now, this box may propagate an email that you already have. We'll just ignore that and go down here to the left of this next button and click on create account. Now, is this for myself or to manage my business? Ignore this manage my business because that's going to take you somewhere completely different. Just don't go there. Just click on here for myself and it will open up this box here. So you want to put in your real first name. And now this box here where it asks for a username, this is how you're going to create your new Gmail. So let's just say I'm trying to create a new email for a product that I'm promoting, and I don't have an autoresponder. Well, I do have an autoresponder, but this is for you in case you don't have an autoresponder and you want to send people to your Gmail and keep them separate from all the other emails that you get. So in this one, I will create a username, something like Janice GDLC list. And then create my password. Oops, I know that didn't work. And they are going to probably recommend, well, it says here, they recommend how you create your password. And then click on, you can click on this little I here to make sure that you've matched your passwords and or unclick it so you can't see it. That's what that little I is about if you didn't know that. And then click the next button and give it a second. And my password, I have a password saver in my Gmail, and you might have this too. And you can click save if you want. And then you have to put in your phone number to verify this account. So I'll put mine in. Oops. And it's going to send me a text message with a verification code. So stand by, I have to go get my phone for the verification code. Okay, so I just went to grab my phone and it's right here. And I'm just going to check my messages. And here I have an email or a text message from Google, and it asks me for my verification code. So make sure that you put it in here exactly as it shows in your text message. Now, there's going to be a G in your code. Ignore that because it's already here in the verification box. Okay, so then just put in the number as you see it. I think I'm doing it wrong. 9, 6. I'm not wearing my glasses, so I can't see as well. And then click the blue verification button, and there it is. We'll use your number for account security. It won't be visible to others. And then it's going to ask you to put in a recovery email. This is optional, but I actually highly suggest it because once in a while, Google's security asks you, they just want to make sure that it's actually you logging into your account. So I'm going to put that, my regular email that I use for pretty much everything else, as my recovery email. It says they're just going to keep it, use it to keep your account secure, and then it wants your birth date. So put that in. And don't lie about it because it's hard to remember lies. So it's far easier to remember things that are true. And your gender, and it gives an option rather not say, or custom. I'm just going to say I'm a female. And if you want to know why, if you want to know why they're asking you that, you can click on here. It says why we ask for this information. Well, I already know, and I don't care. I've done this a gazillion times. So now I'm going to click on the next button. And it says get more from your number and all of this stuff. Well, I'm not interested in this at the moment. So here's, beside the yes, I'm in blue button, you can just click on skip. Read the privacy and terms. If you want to, I'm just going to scroll to the bottom because, like I said, I've been through this a lot of times. And more options if you feel like it. And then I agree. Yeah, you don't have to click on any of this stuff. I'm just waiting right now for it to get set up. And sometimes when I'm recording a video, pages take a little bit longer to load. So now, okay, so now my new Gmail account is set up. They're sending me a welcome. Click the next button, choose a view. Now I think I usually just choose default and okay. And all they want to know is how do you want your email inbox to look when you set up your new account. And that's it. That's how you set up your new Gmail. Now, if you want to send an email to somebody from here, just click up here on the compose button. Click on here for your inbox. It's already got your primary, social, and promotions tabs set up for you. And there you go. That's how you set up a new Gmail email account when you already have a Gmail. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. Once again, I'm Janice, the Internet Marketing Nomad. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and all of that good jazz down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.